He's right at home in the dozer. He loves to run dozer. Take this spruce too. Man, it's a little cool out this morning. Yeah, it's cold this morning. Well, yesterday I was barely driving in here in four-wheel drive. Well, after Spiff plowed it, and it's 20-some below this morning, just drive right on in and two-wheel drive, nothing to it. Oh, you see what I see? Yeah, the heater's running. He usually does run. It's pretty good. It's very dependable. I hope it's warm enough to start. It should be. The heater's been running for an hour by now because I set it on a timer. Hope there's enough left in the batteries to actually start it at this temperature. We'll see. You want a drink today too? Yeah, maybe I can talk to Ed into coming out, opening up that back access a little more than Spiff did. Got a passenger here I don't want. About these machines is how much you got to keep this cleaned out. This was cleaned out last night. I've only been falling for a few hours this morning. Holidays are expensive. This pickup was thirsty. Well, hey, this strange Kenworth showed up, and he just hooks onto this trailer like it's his. What's it? We better get his name on there. Just Dylan's gonna be mad because his name's not on there.
His name's on his truck.
Well, it's not on this one.
It's not his truck.
But then it makes it, yeah, whatever. Okay, so they're bought this bunk trailer, and they're buying that slasher. Let's go back there. So you want these tracks too?
I guess if I have to.
If you have to, as part of the deal.
Yeah.
Yeah, these guys are buying all kinds of stuff. They bought the Limmer we sold, and I didn't want to say anything, but you're here, and you guys are really mad at us for selling it to you.
Yeah, they'd rather go back to chainsaws and out there limbing them big trees by hand.
Do you want your face in it?
No. They're pissed about not having to run chainsaws anymore.
Okay, and you guys are also buying the extra slasher here that was attached to that Lemco back there. So you guys are cleaning us out a little bit. But you're coming back on Christmas Eve. That's your Christmas present?
Yeah.
Did you want me to wrap it?
Yeah. Put a big bow on it.
A big bow.
Pink one.
A pink one. Let's do that. So, Dylan, you see how straight these bunks are, right? I don't want to see this thing in a couple months all bent up. Look at Mr. Mood Lighting. I like that. That's cool. If you see that in one of our trucks coming up, it's because you inspired me.
You have to put blue ones in the Mac.
Blue, yeah, blue would look good. He said he's got some loud pipes in this. I want him to crank on a little bit. He's not going to, I would imagine. Come on, get on it, Donnie. Get on it. Come on. If he comes back and buys the short bus, So Donnie just texted me and said we should put a pink bow on it because it's for Dylan. You're welcome, Dylan. I don't know if I said what these tracks are for. We took them off a Delimmer and we put more heavy duty tracks on our rails because we were breaking a couple pins here and there back when we used to run around in the woods with them. But now that they sit on the landing, they don't break tracks or pins anymore. But anyway, when we sold the 690, it had some bent pads and stuff on it, and we said, we'll throw these tracks in if you want them to put on that 690. You can have them. So they're going to take them. Well, Donnie said that this loader looked a lot better in person than it does in the video. I thought, well, how bad does it look in the video? We bought this slasher. I don't know that we've slashed half a load with it, but we didn't buy it for the slasher attachment. We bought it because it was hooked onto the back of this loader, and we wanted this loader for unloading tree length or loading tree length, yarding tree length. We ended up using it a lot for feeding our chipper, so that's kind of what it evolved into. So, yeah, so that's going to be leaving here in 2 days, I think. Hey, that was really cool, Logger Wade, to tell his buddy down there in Indiana about this being for sale. That was pretty cool. What an interesting guy. What a huge operation he has down there. I thought it was odd that he was willing to come this far to buy that, but he said he's done weirder things. Wow, fired right off. I squirted a little starting fluid in her. Where she went? It's a nice warm day. I thought, well, I'm going to start this up, move it around a little bit, clean it up. Fired right up. I'm impressed. It's been a little while since it's been started. Must be going on 2 months. I can't stay here in video. I blew a hose and I'm gone off this blog. And I need to get that Timco fixed, so there's about 12 hours into that pile according to Dean. Pretty nice pile. Who's that guy over there skidding? Some goofy bugger, huh? So I developed a little pinhole in this hose. See it spraying there? Oh, you know, it's right on top. That's not right. It's supposed to be impossible to get at. But I better order this hose so Adam from Autoval, you can send it to me. Well, at least to the shop. I'll run there and get it. It's gonna heal some tree length out of the pile. Throw it in the slasher. Cut it up into 100-inch lengths. Well, I was running to get a new hose, but Dean says he's got a little leak on a cylinder. So I'm gonna run over there and weld that quick before I go in Now here's Dad in the dozer. He's right at home in the dozer. He loves to run dozer. Yeah. I wonder if he knows I'm here. Do I dare go by him? Do I dare? Come on. Yeah, he can't hear that. Yeah, I don't dare. High speed. Okay, so I just welded on that cylinder. Are you horny? Okay, Timko, I'm back with your new vein. Is that, maybe that's what I should call it, a vein. You ruptured a vein, an artery. Maybe it was an artery. It's probably an artery. Maybe it was both. I guess it is kind of both. Never mind. So we only buy 5-star balsam, but we buy it from the Talmud Mafia. Look at the growth rings on that one. The only thing that's got growth rings like that is probably my belly. Well, it is Christmas Eve. I might as well give you a little Christmas present, eh? Hey? Wow, that's absolutely beautiful. Somebody put a lot of work into that.
Hey, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, Metro.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. Have yourselves a great day.
Fire Captain Tom says, thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Do it again.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.